Sun Tzu's Art of War. Sun Tzu's The Art of War is a cornerstone of strategic thinking, extending its influence far beyond military tactics to areas like business, sports, and personal development. Written over 2,500 years ago, this text's enduring relevance is a testament to its profound insights and universal principles. This essay explores the book's structure, key themes, philosophical underpinnings, historical impact, and modern applications, demonstrating its timeless wisdom. Structure and overview. The Art of War is organized into 13 chapters, each addressing a distinct aspect of warfare. These chapters cover a wide range of topics, including planning, tactics, resource management, and the use of intelligence. Each chapter provides specific advice, but the overarching themes emphasize strategic planning, adaptability, and the effective use of resources. The first chapter, Laying Plans, introduces 5 fundamental factors essential for victory: moral law, heaven, earth, the commander, and method and discipline. Subsequent chapters delve into various aspects of warfare, such as the importance of quick engagements to avoid resource depletion. Chapter 2, Waging War, the primacy of strategy over brute force. Chapter 3, Attack by stratagem, and the necessity of flexibility in tactics. Chapter 8, Variation in tactics. Key themes. Sun Tzu's work is underpinned by several key themes that have universal applicability. One central theme is the importance of strategic planning. Sun Tzu argues that thorough planning and evaluation of fundamental factors lead to victory. He also emphasizes the role of deception in gaining strategic advantages, suggesting that appearances can be deceiving and that misleading the enemy is crucial. Adaptability is another essential theme. Sun Tzu highlights the need for commanders to be flexible and to adjust their strategies based on the evolving situation and the enemy's actions. This adaptability ensures that one can respond effectively to unexpected challenges and opportunities. A particularly profound concept in The Art of War is the idea of winning without fighting. Sun Tzu posits that the highest form of warfare is to subdue the enemy without engaging in direct conflict, using strategy, diplomacy, and psychological tactics instead. Philosophical underpinnings. Sun Tzu's philosophy is influenced by Taoist and Confucian principles. Taoist ideas of balance, harmony, and the natural flow of events are evident in his emphasis on adaptability and understanding the rhythms of war. Confucian values of morality, discipline, and leadership permeate the text, underscoring the importance of ethical conduct and virtuous leadership. The concept of yin and yang, representing complementary forces and their balance, is also reflected in Sun Tzu's work. He emphasizes the interplay between direct and indirect methods, strength and weakness, and offense and defense, illustrating the dynamic nature of strategy and tactics. Historical impact. The Art of War has had a profound influence on Chinese military strategy and tactics, shaping the conduct of warfare in China for centuries. Its principles have been studied by countless generals and leaders, making it a foundational text in Chinese military history. Beyond China, the art of war has been embraced by military leaders and strategists worldwide. Its universal appeal and relevance have led to its adoption in various cultural and historical contexts, demonstrating its timeless wisdom. Modern applications. In the modern world, the art of war is often cited as a guide for competitive strategy in business. Concepts such as understanding the competitive landscape, strategic positioning, and the value of adaptability are directly applicable to business practices. Many business leaders draw on Sun Tzu's insights to navigate competitive environments and achieve their goals. In sports, coaches and athletes use principles from The Art of War to develop strategies, improve performance, and gain a competitive edge. The emphasis on preparation, adaptability, and psychological tactics resonates in the realm of sports, helping teams and individuals achieve success. On a personal level, individuals apply Sun Tzu's teachings to personal development and self-improvement. The focus on self-discipline, continuous learning, and strategic thinking can guide personal growth and goal achievement, demonstrating the broad applicability of Sun Tzu's wisdom. Critical analysis. While The Art of War is celebrated for its timeless wisdom and practical advice, some criticisms include its occasional vagueness and the challenge of applying ancient military principles to modern contexts. The text's reliance on metaphor and aphorism can be seen as both a strength and a limitation, depending on the reader's perspective. Compared to other military treatises, such as Clausewitz's On War or Machiavelli's The Prince, Sun Tzu's work is more concise and focused on practical advice rather than theoretical discussions. This makes it accessible and applicable across various domains, contributing to its enduring popularity. Conclusion. The Art of War remains relevant today due to its universal principles of strategy, leadership, and adaptability. Its insights extend beyond military applications, influencing fields such as business, sports, and personal development. Sun Tzu's masterpiece of strategic thought offers profound insights into the nature of conflict and the path to victory, continuing to inspire and guide leaders and strategists around the world. The enduring power of Sun Tzu's teachings lies in their ability to transcend time and context, providing timeless wisdom for achieving success in any competitive endeavor.